welcome back to 31 Days of Halloween. Today's video is Sally Skellington from Nightmare Before Christmas, so let's jump right in. To start off, I'm taking this blue shade on a flat paintbrush and I'm putting that all over my skin and then blending it out with my Real Techniques beauty sponge. If you do this, you want to use a beauty sponge that you no longer care about because good luck trying to wash this out. It's so hard. I'm also going to drag this down my neck onto my chest in a V-shaped form because I am going to be drawing out her outfit later. Then I'm setting everything with my loose translucent powder because if not, this paint literally transfers everywhere. For my brows, I'm just taking black paint on an angled brush and I am just filling those brows in. Next, taking a black shadow and I am just topping that black paint because like I said, this paint transfers a lot. Then I'm going in with this dark blue shade and I'm going to use that as my transition shade and blend it out with a fluffy brush. Then I'm going to go into an even darker blue shade and I'm going to put that into my crease to really give me some depth. I decided to take the same blue shade and put that all over my lid to create a smoky eye. Now going in with my NYX matte ink liner, I am just lining my waterline. I didn't want to do a wing today, so I just kept it really simple. Now going back in with all three of these dark blue shades, I'm going to use that to contour my cheekbones, jawline, forehead, and my nose. Now I'm taking this white paint on a small flat painter's brush and I'm putting that on my lower lash line and trying to give myself the appearance of bigger eyes. Then on a small definer brush, I'm taking that dark blue and running it under the white paint just to give a more realistic appearance, if it can be realistic. Then with a fluffy blending brush, I am just blending out that dark blue and diffusing it. To finish off the eyes, I already put fake lashes on and then I'm going to take these single lashes and put a few of them on the corners of my eyes. Now I'm just taking black paint and drawing out lines where I want my stitching to be. Once I have those mapped out, I'm going to start drawing little lines and X's. When you do the lines, you want to have a slight curve to them. Then of course, you're going to top it with black shadow so it doesn't transfer. For lips, I'm taking Fenty Beauty Uncensored Lip Paint and I'm just putting that all over my lips. Then with black shadow, I'm just sketching out where I want to draw the stitches. Then taking my NYX matte ink liner and I'm going to start to draw out the lines and the stitching. I'm doing the same thing, curved lines and X's. I wish I would have used this liner to do all of my stitching because I really felt like this looked so much better. So if you're going to do this, maybe use a liner. It might look better. Then I'm taking black shadow and just shading around the stitching. This is just to make it look like that's where the stitch would enter. Y'all know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Then I went ahead and just put on my red wig and I pinned back the bangs with bobby pins. Now I'm taking this yellow paint and I'm going to start to draw out her outfit. So basically just taking this yellow paint and then topping it with translucent powder. Then for the other side, I'm taking the red paint, topping that with translucent powder. Then going in with black paint, I'm going to outline everywhere that I guess the shirt would go. And then with my NYX liner, I'm going to start drawing out the squiggly lines that she has on her shirt. Or is it a dress? To finish off, I'm just taking this white NYX liner and I am just creating some reflect. And I'm also highlighting between the stitches and the shading that I did. And yeah, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like it down below and also subscribe to my channel because it just makes me so happy. 31 Days of Halloween is almost over. I hope you guys are enjoying it and I will see you tomorrow, hopefully, in my next video. Bye!